So guys, now before you go, please don't forget to subscribe. I want you to subscribe because I need it, and I want you to like and share this video. Now a quick analysis on our pound USD for today. As we can see now, we can see that our price is moving. Above all, we are aiming for our pound to drop. We are actually aiming for our pound to drop because our US index is actually showing a bullish move. It's about to go up, so our pound should actually be dropping. Even today, start of it today, our pound has already opened bearish and is actually going to be dropping. Now we are going to analyze where our price will close for today. Let's go straight to our 4-hour time frame. As we can see here, we are going to mark it as our price actually ranging in this our area here. I want you to consider here probably as a first breakout or something like that, but mark it as our resistance level. You can see our resistance here, our resistance here. Now we can also mark it as our support. So where do you think our price is actually going? Straight towards, since our price is actually ranging on our 4-hour time frame. Above all, I want you to know that we are going to be breaking below, going down by the time this week will end. Probably by Friday we should be able to close below this our area, at least 1.22. But before that, today on we are actually looking at is that let our price comes down. We're actually going to be taking your sell position. If you are watching this video now, take your sell position straight toward to our support area. Take it straight toward. That should be giving us about 100 plus pips. That is enough pips to grab for today. At least our price should be to push it down, or if not, you can close it around this our area here where our price is reacting. That should be giving us about 75 pips to grab. By the way, 75 pips to grab, which is enough. I think I will probably be taking this my position now if I stop it, if I stop recording. So take your sell position straight downward on our pound USD because our pound is actually now dropping. It is actually reacting to our support, our resistance level. Now it is not actually dropping to our support. And if you want probably want to set your stop loss, then set it around probably this area, which is 1.26. That would be an ideal place to set your stop loss. When you set it around there, that should be about 40 to 50 pips, and take your position here. That should be about 70 pips. So at least you have a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That is exactly how you should be planning to take your trade. So sell your pound against your USD. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.